Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is x squared plus y squared is equal to 7, x cubed plus y cubed is equal to 10, to find the values of x plus y. In the first step, as you know, if we have x plus y to power of 2, this is equal to x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. And if we have x plus y to power of 3, this is equal to x cubed plus y cubed and plus 3xy times x plus y. In next step, in here, we have x squared plus y squared, and this is equal to 7, right? So we write in here x plus y to power of 2, x plus y to power of 2 is equal to x squared plus y squared is 7, 7 plus 2xy, 2xy. And here we have x cubed plus y cubed, and this is equal to 10. So in here, x plus y to power of 3 is equal to 10 plus 3xy times x plus y. 3xy times x plus y. And in next step, we let x plus y as u and xy as t. And we substitute in these two equations and we rewrite, it will be x plus y to power of 2, it will be u squared is equal to 7 plus 2xy, it will be 2t. And for this equation, x plus y to power of 3, it will be u cubed is equal to 10 plus 3xy, it will be 3t, and times x plus y, it will be u, right? And from this equation, we take this 7 to this side, and it will be u squared minus 7 is equal to 2t. And we divide both of this equation by 2, so it will be u squared minus 7 over 2, it will be t, right? So, in next step, we substitute this t, u squared minus 7 over 2, in this equation, and we rewrite this equation, and it will be u cubed is equal to 10 plus 3t, t is u squared minus 7 over 2 times u. And it will be u cubed is equal to 10 plus 3 times u squared, it will be 3u squared, and minus 3 times 7, it will be 21 over 2, and times u. And it will be u cubed is equal to 10 plus u times 3u squared, it will be 3u cubed minus 21u over 2. And in next step, we multiply both of this equation by 2, so it will be, we multiply by 2. In here it will be 2u cubed is equal to 20 plus, this multiplied by 2, it will be, these two will cancel, and it will be 3u cubed minus 21u. And in next step, we take this 2u cubed to this side, and it will be, in here we have 3u cubed minus 2u cubed, it will be u cubed, right? And minus 21u and plus 20 is equal to 0. And in next step, we write this u cubed minus 21u, and we can write 21u as minus u minus 20u, right? It will be negative 21u, and plus this 20 is equal to 0. And in next step, we take these two parts together and these two parts together, and it will be, from these two parts we factor u, and this divided by u, it will be u squared, and this divided by u, it will be negative 1 minus, and from this two part we factor negative 20. So negative 20, and this divided by this, it will be u, and this divided by this, it will be negative 1 is equal to 0. And here, this is in the form of difference of 2 square, and we can write this as u times u minus 1 times u plus 1, right? In here we can write 1 as 1 to power of 2, and we can write this in this form. And minus 20 times u minus 1 is equal to 0. And next step, u minus 1 is common, so we factor u minus 1. And this divided by this, it will be u times u plus 1, and u times u plus 1, it will be u square plus u, and this divided by this, it will be negative 20 is equal to 0. And here we have two solutions for u. U minus 1 is equal to 0, and the u square plus u minus 20 is equal to 0. And here u is equal to 1, and in here u square plus u minus 20 is a quadratic equation, and we use quadratic formula, which is u is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a, which is a is coefficient of u square is 1, and b is coefficient of u is 1, and c is constant is negative 20. And it will be u is equal to negative b, negative 1 plus or minus square root of b square, 1 square is 1, minus 4ac, 4 times a is 1, and c is negative 20, over 2a, 2a is 2, and it will be u is equal to negative 1 plus or minus square root of 1 negative times negative, it will be positive, and 4 times 1 times 20, it will be 80 over 2. And it will be u is equal to negative 1 plus or minus square root of 81. It will be 9 over 2. And in here we have two solutions for u. U is negative 1 plus 9, it will be 8 over 2 is 4. And u is negative 1 minus 9, it will be negative 10 over 2, it will be negative 5. Also in here we have u is equal to 1, right? So we write in here, and u is equal to 1. So we have 3 answers for u, and we recall this. X plus y is equal to u, right? And we want to find the value of x plus y. So our answer in here, x plus y is equal to u, and our answer for x plus y is 4, negative 5, and 1, right? So this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.